join us on our return leg. And Robbie's just utilising Henrietta's reversing sensors, unless they've stopped working again. Oh, we need to lock you up. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's all moving again. Blooming heck. So what you sent out, Simon? Right, we're off. These seats are very nice compared to Henny's. They're very much more sporty. I'm very impressed with this thing. I really am looking forward to when I get a Tourer, one of these. Maybe not. Are they all 190s? I don't know. Well, it looks like we're approaching some sort of learner driver. See, Henrietta's lights are working, which is always good. And what a moody place. I think this kind of moody environment or weather kind of suits the colour of this car. That's one thing I should talk about. The colour of this car, it's like a midnight blue. I'm sure there's a proper name for it that I don't know what it is. But it's a very good colour for this type of car, and especially since it's got the chrome strips on the side, which were an optional extra on the ZT, because normally they're body coloured. It suits it really well. It's kind of, I suppose, being in this colour and having those chrome strips, to me, it feels like it's halfway between a 75 and an MGZT. Although it's an MGZT, but you know what I mean. It's like it's got the image of both. It's got like the sedate sort of classic image, but it's also got the classy part of it as well. I just find it funny how, as I say the word classy, what I see in my rear view mirror is Henny on big black straight alloy wheels and stickers all over a window. But literally not classy. But very delightable. Delightable, that's a word. So when we get to this national speed limit, it just disappears. It just disappears. It's lovely. I like it. I think this is a lot of fun. And I know I've said it like umpteen thousand times already, but yeah, the Tourer version of this is definitely on my list. So that's my next thing that I'm looking forward to. Oh, Rob don't have the digital readout as well, which Henny does, but Henny's is a bit broken, so. How is it in heel and towing? Let's have a look, because Margaret's really good at heel and toe. Everything's a bit too powerful for heel and toe. But the ride's really good. It's composed, it's not bumpy, it's not crashy. It goes around corners fairly flat, a lot flatter than Henny, so there's definitely a difference there. I bet Rob's having a whale swaying away like that. Definitely feels like a driver's car, and the brakes are definitely a lot better than Henny's. Henny definitely needs her brakes looking at. So I'll get some new discs on back and pads. And if front ones aren't too expensive, I might do the same on there. Just get everything sorted on it. That noise is addictive. Oh, we've got zone parking spaces. Wicked. You just have to remember this doesn't have parking sensors. And there we go. Another trip back. Very nice, very impressed. Want one. Thank you.